Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix currently unavailable listing on Amazon. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, how do we actually fix this issue? Well, in this case, there are two ways for you to actually possibly solve this issue. Now, one of them is to actually update your vacation settings on your Amazon seller account. Now, to update that, they actually give you an option here or a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do that. So first things first is you need to go to your settings and go to your account info. Now from then on, you should be able to see the option that says vacation settings. Now just click on the edit button at the end of that page, and from then on, set the listing status per country. In this case, turn it off or either on. But in this case, make sure to turn it off, because in this case, sometimes whenever you go on or sometimes whenever the holidays are currently ongoing or if the holidays are actually upcoming, usually your products might automatically go to inactive if you have the vacation turned on. So in this case, it is recommended to turn it off. But once you've turned off your vacation settings, that should actually solve your issue. But in some cases, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, in this case, there is still one thing that you can do here. Now, what we need to do is you first need to consider where you actually posted your listing, which in this case, for example, you posted your listing in Amazon UK. And the address that you've set on your Amazon account here is, for example, in the US. Then most likely, if you visit Amazon UK or for example, if you visited your listing via the address on Amazon US here. So if your address is located on US currently, but you're visiting a listing in the UK, then most likely you won't be able to view that specific listing because again, you're in different regions or in different countries. So most likely the product will be automatically set to inactive. Now, for you to guarantee that it's actually active, what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you're correctly on the correct region. Like for example, again, if you posted your listing in UK, make sure to change your address to UK and see if that actually makes the product active. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.